Cloud. In a nutshell, this has more sugar, more vanilla, and a coconut note. The performance is kind of poor, and I paid more for this than I wanted to be honest. And I don't like the bottle at all either. Very twee, very juvenile, but I guess this is appropriate for the target market, which I assume is largely very young people. The perfumer of this floral fruity gourmand is Clément Gavary, and the perfume was launched in 2018. I'll be honest, guys, I had no idea who Ariana Grande was when this came out. Yeah, I know I'm probably an old fart in the eyes of some, but my bigger excuse is living in Japan since the 90s. There's a lot of Western pop culture that I do miss out on. It's easier not to do so in the age of the internet, but I guess I choose not to pick up on certain trends. I think that's a benefit to having a modicum of maturity. I don't really care. Here are the notes for Cloud. When I smell it on others, I can usually recognize that coconut note that makes it different. It's lovely and creamy, but it lacks the sophistication provided by, I think, the saffron in BR540. It's a very girly and teeny bopper fragrance to me. That by no means translates into a dislike of this fragrance, though, despite the bottle.